Alright, so we're at Sao Paulo Ruins. So what we're going to do is we're going to, we're checking out that one, but what we're going to do in a minute is we're going to go around this way. And we're going to go all the way down all the way down to Senado Square, all the way down to the bottom. It's really busy today, so we're going to check it all out and kind of show you how busy it is. You ready for this one? Let's do it, eh? Right. Okay, so welcome to Macau 2023, and we're documenting the city of Macau so you can see exactly what it looks like in 2023. Okay, come on, let's do it. We're gonna walk all the way down, so we're gonna just go, and we're just gonna check out all the crowds as well. So we got a lot of people around today. I'm hearing a lot of suitcases as well, so there's people dragging suitcases all the way up the hill, and it looks like mostly mainland Chinese tourists because it's the doors are open for tourism again, and but actually we'll see all kinds of people today. It's also Sunday. Today is a Sunday, January 9, 8. I'll put it in the bottom left corner. But basically we have Chinese New Year coming up, and then also since it's Sunday, it's also a day when like Filipinos, domestic helpers, Indonesians. Okay, so let's keep on going. There's some of our suitcases right there. Got tons of people with suitcases. So yeah, today is kind of a big mix of like Chinese New Year's in a week. So we're seeing tons of tourism, and also Hong Kong is open too. So which Macau has been closed for 3 years because of the COVID policies. So we're just gonna kind of soak it all in. Somebody bringing up a mattress. See that? Let's check that all out. Yep, somebody's bringing up a mattress. So over here they got some snacks and treats over there. So let me just you can kind of see it right there. A lot of people in that too. Basically that's where we just came from. We got more over there, and we're gonna just keep on going up. So these are basically all these kind of snacks, and anybody can try them, so they'll sample them out to people. So you'll see a lot of people stopping and kind of checking them out, and it's a pretty popular tourist thing as well. A lot of people with suitcases today. I haven't seen this many suitcases in quite a while. Got some Portuguese snacks and such. We're gonna keep on walking down. There's more people with snacks. It's kind of interesting. Somebody with some shoes. Got some shoe boxes. This looks like a grand opening over here. They also got the same kind of snacks. So basically, pretty much everything behind us feels like a little row of snacks. This is always good to see, anyways. Got a temple over here. Let's just walk over to the temple real quick. And then this kind of meanders into the side streets, which are always kind of cool to see as well. I always like the temples. That's Guanyin. It's so nice in there. I really should I'm going to try to diversify the channel a little bit, so if people want to walk around and talk about stuff like what's in the Chinese temples, would be an interesting topic. I could probably learn a lot from that. That's like kind of cool too. This is a Medicino shop right here, so it says Cha Medicino. Let's just kind of take a look real quick. So actually that's kind of interesting, because in the future they're going to try to create more Chinese medicine industry, tourism here in Macau, which would be nice to see. So that's just a tiny little shop, but they got them everywhere. And I have a good friend. He was in mainland China for quite a while, and he was saying that that's one thing he liked a lot about Macau when he would visit, was all the medicine, all the Chinese medicinal shops. Okay, so we're gonna keep on meandering. Seemed like the bulk of the tourism was up there. There's a little bit here. Let me just kind of check this. There's a little square right here, so we're gonna just highlight it real quick. Then this is where we're just coming from. So this goes all the way to Sao Paulo Ruins and all the way up. And then also there's a, keep going, this basically goes north towards the border. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is turn the camera back around slowly and go this way again. Yeah, I haven't seen this many tourists in quite a while. So we're gonna walk all the way to Senado Square, just kind of see the whole pedestrian street all the way down from Sao Paulo Ruins to Senado Square. This is probably the longest and best one with a lot of tourism, and they're gonna try to do another little pedestrian area near the waterfront and possibly the main road that's all the way down. If they do, that'd be amazing, because I was just thinking that a lot of these little alleys here, they're much better for walking. And as a person who drives too, they're a little bit hard to navigate, not because they're so narrow or anything like that, but just the way it's just easier just to walk. It's better to park somewhere like Amsterdam or something like that, where you just park outside the city center a little bit. Let me just kind of show you everything around here. So this is sorts of Portuguese consulate and the Portuguese bookstore. This is Sé Cathedral all the way up there. So that one goes directly down this way. And we're going to slowly turn the camera. Slowly, because it doesn't look too good if I turn it fast at nighttime. I'm just gonna walk. There's a lot more density of people over here. It didn't seem as dense. There's like a little absence of people there somewhat, but now that we're here, it's kind of full on again. But not to the degree it used to be. Like before COVID, up at the top would be a bottleneck of people. You didn't even want to walk on that street. If you lived here, you kind of know some of the side streets to kind of circumvent that a little bit. Okay, so here's St. Dominic's, São Domingos. São Domingos also leads into, I should probably do a 360 real quick. So let me just kind of do a quick 360 here. São Domingos. There's the church. There's some of the emblems all the way up. That's our street right there that went all the way to Sao Paulo Ruins. Goes up to the Portuguese Embassy, Portuguese Consulate. And what we're gonna do next is just kind of head down this way. And it's a little bit dark, so I don't know how the quality is gonna go, but okay, now they got all the Chinese New Year stuff. So even just, definitely last week, but even a few days ago, I believe, this would have been all Christmas. And now it's all Chinese New Year, because Chinese New Year is coming up. And it'll be the year of the rabbit. So let's see, we probably have some rabbit things way at the end here. We'll see what they got. Pretty cool though. I like how the Senado Square always changes. Looks like they have a little bit of a toy theme. You can kind of see there's like, looks like a toy soldier. I might not be able to see it as well as I can, but we'll definitely walk all the way there. And then you also got this place to sit right here too. And they got live music. Looks like they're gonna get that set up in a moment as well. So that's the place you can sit and have a juice. I think they have serve wine and beer as well. And then that one is going to be the live music stage. So that'll be set up pretty soon. We're setting it up now. And let's just take a look at our Year of the Rabbit festivities over here. 2023. Feels like it'll be a really different year. So we got the fountain right in the middle there. And they always change it around a little bit. So it's always a different theme. I don't know if the musicians are setting up or must be setting up. It's about 6:30, I think. Whatever time it is, I'll put it the real time down below. Tons of people coming in right now. Okay, so I couldn't see from the back. It looked like it might have been like a tin soldier or something like that, but it's actually a let's kind of get do the camera together. All right, 2023 right above us, right? Right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, you can do that. So so let's just kind of capture this a little bit, and then we're going to end this video in a minute. So what I'm going to do is just I forgot to highlight a little bit, but that's the 2023. I wonder if that's, we'll watch it and see. I think I have other New Year ones from other years, so I am kind of curious if that one is the same that they had last year. But the rabbits are kind of every Chinese New Year and different holidays, so I don't know why they're so frequent, but it is a year of the rabbit, so I think I do remember seeing different stuff, the pig, whatever year it was before. They're gonna get this all set up in a minute, so I might be coming back and filming that. Yeah, they're getting it all set up. So that should be pretty cool. Okay. So let's do a quick 360 before we end up. It's a post office over there. Grand Lisboa Casino is over there. And that's the route that we just took. We're gonna end it right there. Yeah. Okay, so welcome to Macau 2023, and we're documenting the city of Macau so you can see exactly what it looks like in 2023.